G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie. Welcome to another What Tradies Want. Well, it's not a tough test today, it's more of a company product review. We're here with Lisa from Thetford. Lisa, how are you going?
Good, thanks Jamie.
Thanks for having us in today. Now, why don't we start? Can you share a little bit with everybody about yourself and Thetford and what you guys do?
So Thetford, we've actually a global market leader. So we are famous for the invention of the Porta Potti and the cassette toilet.
Awesome.
So we've got offices across the globe. Our headquarters based in Eindhoven in Netherlands, where we test and formulate our toilet fluids and our products.
Awesome.
And we here at Thetford Australia have been in operation since 2006.
Great.
And we're right in the middle of all our RV manufacturers. We have our showroom here, which is used for training and showcasing the best of our products.
Awesome, and a great looking showroom it is. So I've jumped on the plane to come down to Melbourne to specifically see you guys and have a chat, because particularly your Porta Potti products and also your cookers tie in perfectly with the whole lifestyle element of our tradies that are working hard during the week, but then loading up, whether it's the work ute with the camper trailer, going camping, fishing, all that outdoor lifestyle stuff. But with your amazing products like your Porta Potti, it brings a little bit of the luxurious kind of facilities home that the mums might enjoy as well.
That's right, yeah, exactly. We are passionate about travel and leisure as well, and comforts on the road. Our Porta Potties are tested as well for their durability. We are the original portable toilet.
Awesome.
So we stand by that, and we also offer a standard 3-year guarantee, warranty.
Excellent.
On all our products.
Excellent. So when you were showing me earlier, I was pretty amazed with number one, how simple the system is to use. But my first question was, how do you empty it? But again, that was a really simple, straightforward and clean process.
Yes, definitely. We make sure that it's as easy as possible, and we also formulate our toilet fluids to make it a lot more pleasant, because no one really wants to clean while they're on holidays, do they?
100%.
So.
And that's probably a good point to delve a bit deeper on as well, because you've obviously got your Porta Potti products, but a whole range of different chemicals. So what's the main difference between, I guess, the different products that you offer compared to your competitors?
Well, Jamie, our products are actually designed and specifically formulated in our laboratories in our headquarters in Netherlands.
Yep.
They are tested and guaranteed to protect the lifespan and prolong the lifespan of your Porta Potti toilet and cassette toilets.
Awesome.
So we take pride in that they have been specifically thought out, and the only ones that are actually recommended for your Thetford toilet or Porta Potti.
So Lisa, we've talked about the Porta Potties, but I'm looking at some pretty amazing cooktops and ovens here. What do you want to share on that side of the business?
Well, our cookers come in all different shapes and sizes to suit all sorts of requirements. We've got our full oven unit, so our grill, also got our combination, our hobs, our stove and grills, and we also do sinks as well. So
Fantastic. And the fridge side of things, I mean, the black look looks pretty cool in itself. It's really modern looking, but obviously a range of different fridges for different configurations and caravans.
Yep, that's exactly right. So again, we want to make sure that we have a fridge to suit all different requirements. So for example, we have our absorption range. So if you're off for a longer period of time off grid, then the absorption is a way to go. We've also got our 12-volt compressor fridges if you want that home-like cooling performance as well.
Right.
So
next level, awesome. So Lisa, you've obviously got a pile more products here than what we've got time to go through today. But look, was there anything else that you wanted to share for everybody at home that they could check out?
Yep. Look, just check out our website on thetford.com.au. We have an extensive range of retailers, dealers and service agents. We have a dealer locator for your closest agent, so check it out and for further information on our products.
Awesome. Thanks for having us down in Melbourne today. So for everybody at home, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you take fantastic care of each other. Stay super safe on site. Make sure you check these Thetford products out. They truly are amazing for those weekend adventures. But till next time, I'm Jamie. Stay safe. We'll catch you soon.